In their shared bedroom, Hannah's anger flares as she confronts Margot's messiness. "You're always messing up this room. You're such a pig," Hannah shouts, her voice echoing through the room. Margo retorts, "You're the pig, and leave my things alone." Hannah's anger peaks as she yells, "Then keep your stuff off my side of the dresser." Mom stands sternly in the doorway, arms crossed, her expression a mask of seriousness. "Girls, I'm tired of the constant bickering. You're sisters, you should respect each other. Follow me." Mom guides Hannah and Margo to the back hall, where shelves overflow with towels and cleaning supplies. Mom's command echoes, "You're going to clean the big living room window until it looks like you could walk through it." Hannah and Margo start cleaning the living room window, but the glass looks worse. Margo exclaims, "Mom, there's something wrong with this spray." Hannah agrees, "It's just making it worse." Mom enters the living room, a slight smile gracing her lips. "Oh? The solution I gave you isn't working?" Margo cries out. "No, it's making the window worse." Hannah echoes, "Way worse." Mom gently takes the bottle, her expression unreadable. Mom speaks softly, a new bottle in her hand. "That was all-purpose cleaner, it's not made for windows." And shouting at each other? That's not the right way to solve problems either. God gives us a different solution, he says. A soft answer turns away wrath. That means calmly talking things out and caring about the other person's feelings. Because you trust in Jesus, the Holy Spirit helps you respond gently even when it's hard. Hannah and Margo wipe the window with renewed determination. The window finally shines with clarity. "I'm sorry I pushed your stuff off the dresser," Hannah says. Margo responds, "I'm sorry too. I'll try to keep things neater." The girls stand at the window, their smiles reflecting the light. A soft answer made all the difference. A soft answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. Choose kindness, speak gently, love like Jesus.